What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, a lot of red, a lot of pain in the market over the past several weeks. The question becomes, where do we go from here? Is the big crypto boom going to happen this year, or are we going to continue to see this pain in the market? That is what we are going to be talking about today, specifically in the context of SHIB. So if you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First and foremost, is it just SHIB that is hurting right now? A lot of people in the comment section, I see these guys, they come on here and they say, wow, Rigor Mortis, you called this one horribly wrong. Shiba Inu is in so much pain. Why does it continue to go down? Well, that is multifactorial, but it's not just Shiba Inu. Here's the 1 month chart for SHIB. Look at Ethereum, struggling just as bad. Ethereum hit 3.5K almost exactly a month ago in very early April, and look at what it has done ever since then. You guys know I like using Ethereum kind of as a measuring stick for how the cryptocurrency market is doing. Right now, a lot of pain. Shiba Inu is no different. We've been discussing this a lot over the past several weeks, how Shiba Inu has started moving with the broader cryptocurrency market a lot more closely. There are going to be some degens in the chat, in the comments below saying, hey, well, this token that I just got into just did 100x. Well, yeah, because the market cap is like $2. Shiba Inu is different. This is a $10 billion plus market cap token now. And as such, there is so much responsibility as the cryptocurrency market moves. Obviously, Shiba Inu is going to be heavily affected. But the question becomes, how long is this pain going to last? Well, I hate to bore you guys, but guess what? The reality of the situation is the Federal Reserve is being ultra aggressive right now, trying to lower inflation, because inflation is running rampant here in the United States. So in order to combat this inflation, what do? Well, they increase the federal funds rate. They tighten, quote unquote. And with that, when banks go out and they start loaning money to and from each other, guess what happens? Now they have to pay a little bit of a premium on top of it. Before, you'd borrow money from a bank, another bank would borrow money from another bank. Guess what happens? 0% interest rate? Let's be ultra aggressive because we just need to pay this back one for one. Well, now even that slight bit of increase in interest rates, guess what happens? The banks, they start getting scared. Oh man, we can't invest in crypto. We can't invest in risky assets. Let's pull everything out and put it in literally the most boring, most safe, quote unquote, asset there is on the market, the 10-year treasury bond. It literally does not get more boring than that, in my opinion. But that's what happens. And that's the situation that we have on our hands right now. And that is why, in my opinion, we are seeing this pain, this volatility in the market. But not all hope is lost. You're going to tell me, Rigor Mortis, well, with all of this stuff that's going on with the Federal Reserve, Shiba Inu is not doing so hot, Ethereum's not doing so hot, obviously Bitcoin is following suit. Now what? Like seriously, what do we have to look forward to? Well, this is the other side of the argument. The thing is, right now, we are in an unprecedented time in cryptocurrency. And it seems as if every single person on the planet is interested in crypto. Not from a retail investor side. What we saw in 2021, by the way, folks, that was a lot of the retail investor. Like AMC, GME, all of these stocks that just went absolutely bonkers. Same thing that happened with cryptocurrency. All of that, it was a lot of retail investors actually making their way into cryptocurrency. Well, just think of your daily life now. Back last year, man, every single time I would sit down and have a conversation with my friends, it was almost always about cryptocurrency. I mean, 9 times out of 10, we'd either be talking crypto or basketball. That was literally it. Now when we sit down and talk, nobody is interested in crypto anymore. And this is when the opportunity arises. I don't know if you guys were involved in crypto back in 2017, but man, everybody was talking about it. Again, that was a little bit of a different time because there wasn't this institutional involvement back then. It was a lot of the retail investor, but everyone was talking about crypto. When Bitcoin did that run to 20K, everybody was talking about cryptocurrency. And then the big crash of 2018 came. The ICO boom came and the ICO fall came essentially. Well, in 2018, that's when people made their life-changing money because the people that believed in the tech and the future of cryptocurrency, they said, hold on a second. Nobody is talking about this stuff, but this is going to have a crucial future. It's going to be a part of our future as a society and as the planet runs on in the years that are to come. So people started noticing, hey, if I'm going to make this life-changing money, it is going to be here and now. And so they went heavy into cryptocurrency in 2018 when nobody was talking about it. I mean, we hit rock bottom back in 2018. And then we had this huge boom in 2020 and 2021. Well, guess what? I'm starting to see that same type of narrative starting to be built right now when it comes to crypto, Shiba Inu specifically. A lot less people are talking about it, and I think these are when the opportunities arise. But that being said, that comes with an asterisk because things could get worse before they get better. As I've been trying to time this dip that we've been on, it seems like it's the dip that keeps on dipping, right? Because every single time we try to time it, man, there's just a little bit more pain. So for me, it's all about DCAing, especially into these crypto assets that I think are going to be a force to be reckoned with in the years to come. And that's exactly what people were thinking back in 2018. Hey, the cryptocurrency market, it's down right now, but it's going to make a roaring comeback, and that's exactly what ended up happening. So for me, it's all about waiting, being patient, buying in when I see the opportunity, but again, just taking a step back and saying, hey, let the market do its thing for a little bit. Once people really stop caring about crypto, that is, I think, when we are going to have one of the best opportunities, not to make this chump change, but to make some seriously life-changing money. But obviously, I don't have a crystal ball. I have no idea when that's going to happen. I'm just some guy on YouTube. That's the bottom line. But when it comes to Shiba Inu specifically, what can we look forward to really propel us to that next level as we are starting to see the narrative be built? Well, Shibarium, I think, is going to be that big catalyst. A lot of people, I'm not the biggest fan of articles like this. Will Shibarium, will Shibarium send Shiba Inu soaring to whatever price? I don't think that's really what it's about. But I think what this article does well is really highlights the importance of Shibarium. And guess what? Shytoshi actually gave us a huge update saying that Shibarium is coming very soon. Right here, there is a quote from Shytoshi Kusama himself. He recently stated very soon actually, referring to when Shibarium is going to come online. This is why Shibarium is important, folks. Right now, Shiba Inu runs on Ethereum. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. And as such, gas fees are ridiculous when trying to interact with the ecosystem. Well, with Shibarium, we're going to be able to batch process these transactions, and instead of using Ethereum, we are going to use Bone in order to process those transactions. On top of that, there is going to be a burning mechanism in order to burn Shiba Inu along with Shibarium. All of these things together, in my opinion, are extremely bullish when it comes to this token. Like I always like to say, this is a meme token that got things right. And that's exactly what we are seeing with the type of tech, the type of development that is coming out of this team. And it makes me so excited. Whenever the big crypto crash does happen, if it's not already happening, guess what's going to happen? All of the tokens that are just meme, don't have anything to do with anything, and aren't really a part of what it means to be in crypto, the tech, a lot of them, 99% of them probably, are going to end up falling to zero. The strong will survive. They won't be doing so hot, obviously, because nobody's going to be talking about crypto no more. But once that big comeback happens, guys, that's the opportunity that I'm waiting for. So it's things like Shibarium, it's things like the Doggy DAO, it's things like SHIBASWAP V2, our metaverse, our play to earn game. All of these things gives me confidence when it comes to Shiba Inu, but only time will tell how this token is going to do. But you guys already know me, I am ultra bullish when it comes to Shib. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. I pretty much rambled on for 9 minutes here. This video is way too long for no reason, but you guys know what it means to me to talk about this token and make you guys these videos. Please keep in mind, folks, I'm by no means a financial advisor. Like I always say, I'm just some guy on YouTube. You have to go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much once again for watching all the way to the end of the video. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene, folks. Out.